Guys, get ready to sell volatility then right now. Get ready to sell volatility then right now. It's going to be a pending order. So let me type out the pending order on the screen so that you will not miss out on this trade. So let me type it out. So I'm going to type out the entry price and the stop loss. The stop loss price. So the entry price, this is the entry price. Entry price is 884.3834. Then you have the stop loss, which is represented by SL, which is 4898.516. We have the take profit, which is represented by TP, which is, let's go down a bit, 845.4712. So these are the entry parameters for this trade. Let me grab this up here so that you can pause the video and enter these parameters on your MT5. This is going to be a pending order setup. It's not going to be an instant execution. So people will be asking, why is he selling? Why is he selling V10 index? What is the thought process around this sell? So I'm going to explain to you guys right now why I want us to sell V10 index. Okay, so on the 24 hours, right, in the morning I made an analysis. I did a live analysis of this particular pay, and I said that I was going to sell V10 in the morning because already, as you can see, V10 has been on a downtrend for a very long time, very long time, and it will not make any sense if you are trying to buy V10 index. So what we should be doing now is that we should be looking for opportunity to sell. So this is on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, in the morning, price was reacting, was buying, right? Let me zoom this so that you can see clearly. So this candle right here, this candle that is currently bearish, was bullish in the morning. Look at the wick of this candle. Price bought into this level. This level is what I call an open close key level. Guys, if you want me to talk more about my key levels, drop. If you want to know more about the key levels I used to trade, you can just ask your questions in the comment section and I will make videos about them all for free. All right, so let's continue with the video. So price bought into this key level. As soon as it came in contact with this key level, this open close key level, which I have illustrated with a line right here, as soon as it came in contact with this key level, what happened? It rejected this candle that was bullish, that was once bullish in the morning, rejected and became what? Bearish candle. It's a sign that price is ready to resume its bearish movement. Some people will be asking, why was he buying when I already said that V10 is on a bearish momentum? Now market moves in waves, right? You don't expect market to move on a straight line, something like this. Market doesn't move that way. Hope you guys understand. So if market is, even when market is selling, market will still buy to some extent. Now that buy is what we call retracement. So you can see something like, even in as much as market is buying, to see how there will still be scenarios where in as much as market is selling, there will still be scenarios where it buys, just temporal buys and then resume this. So if you see something like this, this is how the market operates. This is how the market moves. All right, it moves in waves. All right, so the buy in the morning was just a retracement to gather enough liquidity to resume the bearish movement. All right, so as soon as price came into this open close key level on daily, it rejected the bullish, the candle that was once bullish in the morning automatically or suddenly became bearish this night. All right, so upon this rejection on the daily, let's go to the 4 hours. All our time frame must be in alignment before we make our trading decision. Now on the 4 hours, look at where price is coming from. This is the key level on the daily, and then what the price did, price broke out. Remember, a rejection on the daily, right? A breakout on the 4 hours, and then in my entry models, what I like to see before I take it to this, number one, there has to be some sort of sweep. There has to be a breakout, and there has to be, an imbalance. All this must be present before I take my trade. A sweep, a breakout, and an imbalance, and all those parameters are available right now in this setup. That's why I'm telling you guys to sell. So let me mark out the sweep. This is the sweep. This candle swept this candle. It swept this candle right here. Let me mark this out. This is a sweep, right? This is a breakout. This is a breakout right here. This is a breakout right here. Criteria 2 has been met. The first criteria is a sweep. The second criteria is a breakout. And now, the third criteria is an imbalance, which is this. Let me mark it out with a rectangle. So this is the third criteria. Look at this. An imbalance currently present. Alright. Now, upon seeing all these criteria, I will now look for the nearest key level. Now, if you look at your left, right, after this breakout, you have this breakout, you have the sweep, we have the imbalance. I look at my level. What am I seeing? An open close key level. Hope you guys are understanding. This is an open close key level. This is a bullish open close key level that was supposed to sponsor buys, but it was violated. Once, it was violated again, twice, it was violated again, thrice. So what I'm expecting now is for price to come back to this key level. Okay, react from here and then resume this buy to this level. Since the general trend for this pair for V10 index is bearish, I'm expecting price to give us a lower low. So I'm expecting price to sell and take up this low and continue selling until when it is ready to reverse to a bullish move. For now, I'm expecting price to give us a lower low. That is why I'm willing to sell from here. So guys, that is the thought process around the reason why I want to take a sell on V10 index. Okay, so I don't want this video to be long, but I hope you guys can clearly understand why I want us to sell Volatility 10 index. Remember, it's not an instant execution, it is a pending order execution. As you can see, the parameters are displayed on your screen. Please, it's not an instant execution. Don't just sell V10 index. It's going to be a pending order, and I want you guys to impute this pending order on your MT5 and let's make money together. All right, before I end this video, there's another setup I'm currently looking at, though it's not yet ready, but I just want to give you guys heads up so that probably later in the day you guys can look at it. But then I'll be giving you updates as time goes on. This is on step 200, and as you can see, step 200 has been bearish for a while, and I'm looking for an opportunity to continue the sell. Okay, so price is coming from this level on step 200, coming from this level, and I'm expecting price to take out this low right here. Okay, I'm expecting price to take out this low right here. So on step 200, I'm looking for an opportunity to sell. All right, the price has been ranging to some extent. Price came here, reacted from this key level right here, sold. Now it's coming back to the same key level. This key level has been tested how many times? 1. Let me use this way. Is this 2? This key level has been tested 1. Okay, 2. Okay, 3. And now it's been tested again for the 4th time. All right, so that means this level is a strong level. Okay, that is the reason why I want to sell from this level, but I cannot just start to sell from now. There has to be some sort of confirmation on a lower time frame, which is 4 hours. All right, because why I said before, all my time frame must be in alignment before I take my trade. So if I'm doing my analysis on the daily, my daily must be in alignment with the 4 hours. The 4 hours must be in alignment with my entry time frame, which is the 1 hour or the 2 hours, as the case may be. But all my time frames must say the same before I take or I make a trading decision. So upon seeing this relation, I'm going to go to 4 hours to see what 4 hours is saying. So currently, first of all, what I'm going to do, right, to be on the safe side, I'm going to wait for this candle to close. This candle that is currently bearish right now, I'm going to wait for this candle to close, and then when it closes, I'm going to see how. I want to see how 4 hours candle will be. All right. Now, looking at this right here, price did a temporal buy, bought from it, gave us this higher, this high, gave us this higher high, and then so it gave us this higher low, and then it's giving us this higher high. Right. Since you're expecting price to sell from here, I'm expecting on the normal, I'm expecting price to take up this low before we can even look for opportunities to sell to this level. All right. But then I'm not going to do anything right now until today's candle closes, until this daily candle closes. Then I'll take my trading decision. All right. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up so that you guys can, look out for this pair. Look out for this pair and then observe the way the candle closes, and then know what to do from there. But for now, I'm not going to do anything on step 200. I'm going to keep a close tab on it. I already marked it right here, so I'm going to keep a close tab on it to see how it behaves. So guys, that will be all for today. I hope you've understood 1 or 2 things of my top down analysis. And if you like and you want me to make videos like this, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be happy, and I'll be willing to make tons and tons of videos like this. Alright guys, please remember to subscribe to my channel. If you like the content I make, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, so that YouTube will recommend it to other people that might need videos like this to improve their trading. All right, okay, see you guys some other time. So I'll be dropping this update on my Telegram channel. I'm going to drop this V10 setup on my Telegram channel. So if you want to join my Telegram channel, the link also is in the description box. Just click the link to redirect you to my Telegram channel, and then we share ideas together. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in the next one.